Oh my god, it's very hot today. 37 degree now. The temperature here is getting very hot outside. This week is going to be very hot. Welcome to Nepal in China. I hope all of you guys doing well there. Today I'm blogging on how to put the gas in Jilin where I stay. So let's go to the gas station. Okay, low fuel, need to fill up gas. Temperature also is high, already 40 and no fuel. It's very hot, so dad and daughter enjoying ice cream. 6.96, 335. Here they have free car washing if you buy gas, if you put full. This is washing only with water, I think. There is no soap. It's like you save 10 yuan, 15 yuan. I'm sitting here on tree saddle. Outside is more than 35, so it's really hot. So you need some places for cool air at least. Anyway, nice place here. Normally here full of old people, but today maybe it's too hot. That's why they are in the room with the air condition for sure. But it's staying all the time inside is really crazy. Also air condition is like Anyway, gas price going up, getting expensive by day. So I hope in the future we'll have more battery and solar, even wind cars. So we no need to buy or no need to spend a lot of money on gas. Anyway, recent years many electric vehicles are in the market, so many people are already going for these kind of vehicles, so that is a good choice as well. Alright, my car is a little bit old car, is already 5 years, so that time I am not so aware of this kind of things as well. We know that the oil and fuels, everything is going up and going even away from this earth, but when you are using it a lot or more, then you will feel more that it is important. Anyway, this is the today's blog. I hope you have little bit information on how I do it. Actually, this is nothing special. I just went there. That was my regular place. Actually, when I'm in this area, I just go there and put the fuel. Also, they have free car washing. Normally, you need to pay 10 or 15 yuan for just washing outside, not signing anything. Just washing with the water outside, but there you just can have one wash for removing outside dust, plus you have some free things always they give us if you fill up your tank. It is a good place for me, so I used to go there. And also from the beginning I put I fill up my car tank with that gas station, so it's better to go to the same place. It's like have similar things always. Anyway, those of you who are watching me, thank you very much, and who didn't subscribe yet, please consider subscribing my channel to give me a little bit energy. Sometimes you need more people hear your things and more people subscribe your channel. Anyway, I'm going for holiday soon. It's gonna be maybe around 10 days holiday, so probably I'm going road trip, so I'm gonna post videos every day. I'm gonna blog every day, so maybe that would be interesting, and maybe you'll have more information on that kind of things. So stay tuned and wait for travel video. Until then, have a good time.